Hello everyone, welcome back to Excel Learning. My name is Abhishek Saw and this is your English classroom where you are getting quality explanation of your English chapters. Today I have brought The Merchant of Venice Act 2 Scene 3. I know कभी कभार आप लोग जो है बहुत थक जाते हो कि इतना लंबा वीडियो क्यों होता है, अब मैं क्या करूँ, आप लोग बताओ क्या करूँ मैं। चैप्टर लेंदी होगा, सीन लेंदी होगा तो समझाने में थोड़ा लेंदी वीडियो तो बन ही जाएगा ना, राइट। बट डोंट वरी, दिस पर्टिकुलर वीडियो is going to be very short because the scene is very short. Act 2, Scene 3. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Be sure the book is there right in front of you. Take highlighter, pencil, pen and a copy so that you can note down all the points that I'm going to tell you, right? So let's get started, boys and girls. Act 2, Scene 3. See, before we came to know that Bassanio told Lancelot to bid goodbye to Shylock, right? So Lancelot has come to Shylock's house. Shylock is not there. His daughter Jessica is present in the house. So Lancelot is having a conversation with his daughter Jessica. और एक पॉइंट मैं बता दूं, Shylock does not allow anyone in the house, so there is no merriment. There is no merriment, okay? And as Lancelot is a jolly fellow, his presence makes Jessica happy. This is the reason sorry guys, this is the reason Jessica is very sad as Lancelot is leaving the service of Shylock. So this particular scene is taking place in a room in Shylock's house. Enter Jessica and Lancelot. Jessica, I am sorry thou wilt leave my father, so our house is hell, keywords, and thou a merry devil, keywords, didst rob it some taste of tediousness. So Jessica is telling, I am feeling very sad as you are leaving my father's service because our house is a hell. Okay, there is not a shot of merriment or happiness, and you are a merry devil. You make me love, you make the sense of humor, you create the happiness. So I am feeling very sad as you are leaving my father's service. But fear thee well, there is a ducat for thee. Now Jessica is giving some money to Lancelot. Okay, somehow Jessica is bribing Lancelot. And Lancelot, soon at supper shalt thou see Lorenzo, who is thy new master's guest. And now you just take the money. I mean, maybe Jessica gave him some money, okay, and a piece of paper later. And she told Lancelot that you are going to Bassanio, right? They are having party tonight, and there you would find Lorenzo. Lorenzo and Jessica have relation, okay, love relation. So there you would find whom? There you would find Lorenzo. So please give this letter to him and do it secretly. So Jessica is very clever also. Do it secretly. And so farewell, I would not have my father see me in talk with you. Now please take the letter and now please go. I don't want my father to see me talking to you. If Shylock would see Jessica talking to Lancelot, that again he would doubt Jessica, right? Because Lancelot is not in service of Shylock right now, rather Lancelot is the service of Bassanio right now. So again he would make some or create some mess or some trouble to Jessica. This is the reason Jessica does not want Shylock to see her talking to Lancelot. This is the reason she just gave him money and a letter and told, now you go and you would meet Lorenzo over there at the party. Give him the letter, do it secretly, don't let anyone know about the letter, and now you please go because I don't want my father to see me talking to you. Lancelot is feeling very sad, okay. Adieu, tears exhibit my tongue. Exhibit another keyword, and exhibit actually in this particular sentence instead of inhibit means prevent. Lancelot is using the term exhibit. We already come to know about Lancelot's character that he uses wrong words, right? So adieu, tears exhibit my tongue, most beautiful pagan, most sweet Jew, if a Christian do not play the knave and get thee, I am much deceived. But adieu, these foolish drops, another keyword, do somewhat down my manly spirit. Adieu. So actually Lancelot is telling that these foolish tears do somewhat dampen my manly spirit. That means according to Lancelot, एक लड़का जो है, मेल जो है, बॉय जो, उसे रोना नहीं चाहिए, लेकिन अभी लैंसलॉट इतना सैड है कि वो रो रहा है, तो इसलिए बोल रहा है कि my tears dampen my courage and manly spirit. So this is the reason he is telling goodbye. Okay, जितना जल्दी हो सके जेसिका फेयरवेल गुड लैंसलॉट बोल के जेसिका लैंसलॉट जो है वहां से चला जाता है. Right now, only Jessica is there on the stage, and the last dialogue of Jessica is being delivered to audience. Same soliloquy, a figure of speech where speaker speaks to the audience. Jessica, Alak, what heinous? Heinous means vile, abominable. Okay, what heinous sin it is? Is it in me to be ashamed to be my father's child? So Jessica could realize that it is a sin that I am doing. I am the daughter of Shylock, but being the daughter of Shylock, I hate my father, and this is a sin. ये एक पाप कर रही हूँ मैं, वो उसे पता है. She is realizing, self realization. But though I am a daughter to his blood, I am not to his manners. But though I am his daughter by blood, but I do not have his manners. That means I cannot be rude, I cannot be bad quality as my father has. Oh Lorenzo, if thou keep promise, I shall end this strife. Strife, another keyword, strife means झमेला. ओके वो ट्रबल. सो अब वो बोल रहा है लॉरेंजो अगर तुम मुझे प्रॉमिस कर सकते हो तो मैं ये जो प्रॉब्लम जो है ये जो ट्रबल है मैं इसका एंड कर सकती हूँ. बिकम अ क्रिश्चियन एंड दाई लविंग वाइफ. सो इफ यू प्रॉमिस मी, दैट मीन्स उस चिट्ठी में जो है कुछ लिखी है वो, और वो जाके लैंसलॉट देगा लॉरेंजो को. तो वो चिट्ठी खोलने के बाद लॉरेंजो को पता चलेगा व्हाट शी हैज़ रिटन, व्हाट प्लान शी हैज़ चॉक्ड आउट, राइट. सो नाउ शी इज टेलिंग लॉरेंजो इफ यू कैन प्रॉमिस मी देन आई कैन एंड अप द स्ट्राइफ, I can end up the trouble, I can end up the mess by becoming a Christian and your loving wife. So this is the end of this particular scene. Now few significance, the dramatic significance of this particular scene is that we are getting the characteristics of Jessica. Jessica is young, lively girl. She is full of life. She is creative or innovative. Like she is creative or innovative, and and she is cautious also. Sorry, creative and innovative. This particular point we will get in the next scene. Okay, not in this scene. Here we are getting that young lively girl full of life, and she is very cautious, like because she does not want her father to see her talking to Lancelot. Okay, now in this particular scene this particular scene is a hint of Jessica and Lorenzo's love or elopement, and in this particular scene their love takes a beginning, right. Okay, and one more is that Jessica is ready to give away her own language. एकदम लास्ट में वो खुद बोल रही है कि मैं क्रिश्चियन बन जाऊंगी, तुम्हारा मैं वाइफ बनूंगी. सो एक्चुअली जेसिका इज रेडी टू गिव अवे her own language. And the very important point is that here we are getting the contrast between the contrast between Portia's character and Jessica's character. There we got that Portia is extremely devoted. Portia is extremely devoted to her father, where Jessica is ready to rebel against her father, right. Portia's father had set a lottery casket there. Portia is telling that I cannot choose my husband universally, right. Whoever would choose the right casket, Portia would marry him. But here Jessica does not want at all. Jessica is not obeying her father at all. So this is the very important point of this particular scene, Act 2 Scene 3. I hope you all got the point and you all have noted down all the points that I have told you. We will meet with the next scene, that is Act 2 Scene 3 in the Act 2 Scene 4 in our next video. Before ending, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, press the bell icon so that you can get regular updates. Like, comment and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.